takes about 2 hours to do this service, to do it properly, but there's a night and day difference when it's done. You can actually see shiny metal in the parts that are removed.
Again, we have a video on our YouTube channel that talks about the diesel TeraClean.
Yep.
And we are one of how many independent shops in Ontario? Because you cover all of Ontario,
Yeah.
Northern Ontario as well as
we
Southern Ontario.
We have a handful of shops that are doing this. The independent shops, we have a few dealerships that are doing it. We have fleets that are doing it.
Yeah.
TTC and the City of Toronto are using it. We have an ambulance company that are an ambulance service that's using it in one region here in Ontario. But again, it's sold worldwide. You can actually go on YouTube and see people in England that are using this to service everyday cars, because of course diesel is more common in Europe than it is here.
We had a client, and it's one of the ones that's actually on the video. No, we had one before that. So the very first one that we had, when you had brought this to introduce it to me, we were very leery.
Yep.
Not that I don't trust you, Brian.
Thank you.
It's just that I'm like, yeah, we're gonna make claims like this. These are big claims.
Yes.
Like, they are big claims.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
And as a shop owner, I have a real problem telling my customer, okay, this is, going to fix your problems once and for all, no issues. So we had a Mercedes owner who had a big SUV, diesel, 3-liter Mercedes diesel.
It's a Sprinter?
No, this was a SUV, like a GL, 450 or
Okay.
the big boy
Right.
diesel SUV. Very expensive vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Had gone to the dealer, check engine light was on, poor performance. They claimed he needed all new NOx sensors, as well as new EGR. And the quote, I believe, was either, I don't recall, I say it in the video, I think $12,000 or $15,000. And this was like 4 or 5 years ago. And he's like, I'm here for a second opinion because my friend referred me to you and said that, you guys are honest and what do you think? And I'm like, look, I got this product that my rep has given me some bottles. We can try it on your vehicle and see. I'm not going to make any claims what the bottle and what the product claims, what the company claims it will do.
Right.
I'm not going to make any claims whatsoever, but we can try it. And best case scenario, you're going to walk away under $500 for the repair.
Yes.
We ended up using, it calls for 2 bottles for...
2 bottles is maintenance. If you have a serious problem, you're going to need more.
Yeah, so it's it's like alcohol. The more you have, the better you're going to feel. So for a while, till the next morning.
Yeah.
But so we ended up using 4 bottles,
which
is quite significant. And it was like 4 hours or 5 hours that we had ran this vehicle. We did the service, Brian, drove the vehicle, and while driving, the check engine light went out.
Yep. That's not uncommon with this.
And it was shocking. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
And there again is proof in the pudding for me.
Yep.
And I believed in the product from that. Customer was happier than a pig in poo because, we saved him thousands of dollars. And again, it was a heavy duty cleaning, but my tech here at the shop, you as an independent, any repair shop, if you don't have the buy-in of your techs,
it ain't happening.
It ain't happening.
Yeah.